In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 free best tools for beginner traders and even pro traders guys. You can use these tools I'm about to show you guys if you're a new trader and if you are a beginner trader. It's absolutely free for everyone to use, and I hope this video helps you out. So guys, if you want to help out this channel guys, you can see this fancy little red spicy button right here. You just click on it, like subscribe, and you turn on notification guys, and you click on this all, right, this one, and voila, you're in the family. You're now an XO. All right, so let me get straight into the video guys. So in this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the top 5 free best tools for both professional traders and newbie traders. And if you're a trader on a budget and you don't want to spend a lot of money, because maybe you have money saved up for trading and you don't want to invest a lot of money into tools and all this fancy stuff, so you can just use these free tools I'm about to show you guys in this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video as I'll be giving away a secret tool that is absolutely amazing, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So let's get started guys. What is up guys, it's your boy XO, and right now I'm gonna show you guys the number 1 tool, and that tool is actually TradingView. Guys, are you gonna be a day trader in the Forex market without having a TradingView account? Like, is that even possible? Because, well, you can use you can use MT4, but I would strongly recommend you look at TradingView guys. I made a video showing you guys how to use the TradingView website step by step guys. A really quick video that's going to take you from being a beginner and turn you into a pro in under like 7 minutes. I can't remember how long the video is right now, but if you watch that video, I'll put a link to it in the description or at the end screen or on the card above. So guys, watch that video, it's gonna help you out a ton. So guys, TradingView is really amazing. It's seriously a sophisticated, robust tool to use as a trader because it has a lot of features guys, a whole ton of features guys, a whole ton. You can use a lot of tools. You can see all these trend lines and crosshair and everything, and arrows and extended and power channel and all this good stuff. You can see there's drawing tools guys, brush, ellipsis, rectangle, and all those fancy stuff, you know, arc and double curves and all this good stuff. So you can actually use it in all those if you those technical traders, you can use the head and shoulders, you can use the tree drives patterns and X, A, B, C, D patterns. I've never heard of this before in my entire life. I'm just alright guys. And for this position too guys, this is a long tool. Like MT4 doesn't have this. I don't know if there's any EA or software that has this, but MT4 doesn't have this. MT5 doesn't have this. MT4 and MT5 doesn't have this feature guys. So you can see it's really easy because you can see how many pip stuff and how many pip take profit targets and all this good stuff. It's a one-to-one. You can see really easy for free guys. This is absolutely free. And I'm going to show you guys the pitchfork and all this good stuff. And Fibonacci guys, Fibonacci is amazing. It's an amazing tool guys. You can see Fibonacci tool. Yep, so you can see the 50 zone and the 61.8 guys. This is freaking amazing. I want you guys to use this tool guys. Use this tool. The link for TradingView is going to be in the description below. So let's go to our number 2 guys. Number 2 guys is going to be MetaTrader 4. I know this is self-explanatory because you can't execute any trade without using the MT4, because you have to link your broker to the MT4 or MT5 platform. Right now guys, I'm actually using the MT5. Absolutely guys, I'm actually using the MT5 because there's some things I'm actually doing that get a seamless flow of work, seamless workflows guys. So MT4, MT5, whichever one you want to use, they have Android app, iOS app. I don't know what this is, but Windows and Linux and all this good stuff. So you guys should go check it out. And oh yeah, it's Linux guys. Who would have thought? And guys, for the number 3 guys, the number 3 site I want you guys to actually check out if you're a fundamental trader guys. Well, every trader should be actually technical traders and fundamental trader, because you have to know what's happening in the market. Like, you have to know what's happening fundamentally and know what's happening technically. That is when you have to use the Forex factory. Forex factory guys. So you get to see news events, high impact news events, low impact news events, and a medium impact news events. So guys, as you can see, this yellow one is actually the low impact news events, the red is actually the high impact, and the orange is the medium impact news events. There's a forecast, which means how strong of a low news event is going to be, and the previous compared to the previous time. And so guys, basically this is just a tool that shows you how strong the news is going to be on the market and how it's going to impact the market. If it's going to be a strong, it's going to be a red. If it's a medium, it's an orange, and if it's a low impact, then it's a yellow color. So you can see the pairs, the currencies here, JPY. So if you're trading these pairs, you have to look out and watch out, so you can basically understand that, okay, if I'm seeing a buy setup on the technical aspect, I want to see what's happening on the fundamental part, which is maybe for this one is a high impact, so you have to be careful on how you take a trade on this pair, GBP pair. So that's it. Hey guys, so for the first tool is gonna be babypips.com position size calculator, guys. So guys, the position size calculator is actually an amazing and time-saving tool if you're a new trader and even if you're a professional trader, guys. So all it does is it helps you calculate how big of a lot size you're actually going to use on a trade. So guys, once you're done figuring out how many pips you're going to use on a trade, and your stop loss and everything, and you know, okay, I'm risking 1% of my account on this trade, then what you do is you come to this point, you choose your account currency, which is most likely going to be maybe USD or Euro or GBP. So it all depends on your currency. Then mine is USD, and let's say you have an account balance of 10,000. Is this 100,000? Yeah. So you have an account balance of 10k and you want to risk 1%, and for some reason your stop loss is 24 pips. Like guys, I showed you how to use the pip value in TradingView. All you have to do is use the position tool and see where you want to put your stops and targets. And once you're done getting that, then you check below TradingView. I'm going to pop up a screen here showing a picture showing you what it looks like. So let's assume that you have a 24 pip stop and you want to take a trade, but you don't know how much or how big of a position size or lot size you want to use. So what you do is, let's say for example, okay guys, so let's say for example you want to trade the GBP USD currency pair, and once all these things has been filled out, what you do is you press calculate, and right here you can see that, yeah, you're risking $100, which is 1% of 10,000 USD. Then you have to use, if you're using standard lots, this is the value you're going to use. If you're using mini lots, then this is the value, and if you're using micro lots, this is it. So I'm most likely going to use this is 0.41. so that's it. So guys, for the final tool, guys, is Notion. Guys, you guys actually know how I stressed a lot on trying to keep journals, guys. If you're a trader and you don't keep journals, guys, if you do not know what your last 10 trades looks like, then you're actually not a trader, or should I say you're actually on the wrong path of being a trader, because you have to keep track of every single trade you have actually taken, because when the time comes, not when the time even comes, because you have to go back every single day, reanalyzing, checking why you lost and what your 50th trade even looks like, so you can actually evaluate and see your progress on your recent trades. So I stress a lot about using a trading. You can even use Excel, guys. You mustn't use this Notion, guys, but I actually recommend Notion because it's online. So if for some reason your laptop gets stolen or something happens, and you just buy a new one and log in, and your trades and everything is safe and sound. So guys, I really recommend Notion, guys. It has a mobile app like TradingView and MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and it's really amazing. As you can see, they have been featured on a lot of big brands and big pages and of course, you know. So, and it helps you keep track of your trades, help you journaling, and help you in journaling. Guys, this is gonna make your work even easier, because it's not even about only your trades. You can create a to-do list, and it literally makes your life easy, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I know that this video is actually not that interesting, but all these tools I actually mentioned in this video are going to help you I'm going to help you hands down, because you need these tools in your trading arsenal, guys. It is a must. Like, it is a must that you must have these tools. I am telling you guys. So you need to have these tools, guys, in your arsenal to actually take your trading to the next level. So guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you guys subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment, guys. Tell me what you want me to do next. Alright, I'm all ears, because we are actually small. We are small right now, so I'm listening to everything you guys are saying. I don't get a lot of comments, so I reply to every single comment. So guys, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification, guys. It's really important, guys. Liking this video and sharing it actually helps this channel a lot, because it helps tell YouTube that this video is actually a good video and you want to see more, and I will make more. So if you want more great content like this, please subscribe, guys. You can follow me on Telegram. I'll be giving out free signals on my trading entries and my trading ideas, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Stay EXO. Let's grow this EXO gang. Let's be a family. Alright, so guys, show some love, support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed.